Nope. Not quite. Well done. Cheese. Perfect. Halfway through. Tomatoes. You're doing great. Olive oil. Well done. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients of the game. Tear off all the leaves. Let's cut it good. We need to grate this. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. To the middle. Watch out! Hares ahead. Watch out! Squirrels ahead. Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! Cones ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived! Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.